pi is the ratio of the circle's perimeter to its diameter, discovered by Archimedes around 250 BC. So the value of pi is 3.14159 ... which means it is a non-repeating decimal, or more approximately 3.14. So for example, we have a circle with a diameter of 1 meter. The perimeter would be 1 meter times 3.14, so 3.14 meters. So that's the perimeter. Now this pi is so useful that mathematicians have devised a way to use pi to measure angles. They call it radian. Radian is the angle formed where the arc length is equal to the radius. So for example, you have a circle, this is the radius. If you have the arc length equal to the length of the radius, that angle is 1 radian. So for one semicircle is 3.14 radian, or 1 pi radian. So for example, this is your circle and this is your diameter. So this is 1 radian, this is 1 radian, this is 1 radian, this is 0.14 radian, or 180 degrees is 3.14 radians, or 1 pi radian. So 180 degrees is equal to 1 pi radian. So using this equation, we can convert the angle from degrees to radians, or from radians to degrees. So we use this conversion. For example, we have 30 degrees. So you want to convert to radians. So we multiply it to either this one or this one. So the rule of thumb is, if the degrees is on the top, you use the 1 degrees at the bottom, so it can cancel. So pi over 180 degrees will cancel. So getting the lowest term, this is, we cancel the 0. Both divide by 3. This is 1, this is 6. So 30 degrees is pi over 6. For example, pi over 2, which is pi over 2 radians, convert into degrees. So we just multiply it by this one or this one. So as I said earlier, whatever is on the numerator, you have to pick one that is on the denominator. So we use this one. So pi over 2 is 180 degrees over pi. So this will cancel out. 180 over 2 is 90 degrees. So pi over 2 is 90 degrees.